Greetings and welcome to On the Move with Dave B's Kitchen. In today's episode, we will be smoking a brisket studded with garlic, slicing it and stuffing it into a Latin American favorite, an arepa. We start preparations the night before by trimming excess fat and removing any exposed silver skin. Once the brisket has been trimmed, we start studding the meat with garlic cloves. This is accomplished by making a small cut under the fat cap, then stuffing it with a garlic clove sliver. Repeat till you're satisfied with the garlic coverage. I made about 40 cuts for the small 10-pound brisket. After studding the meat has been completed, I will apply a dry rub. The rub I am using is called the usual, and it is a blend of salt, black pepper, rosemary, dried garlic, lemon zest, and cayenne pepper. I will then use plastic wrap to cover the meat in the refrigerator till we are ready to smoke. It is 4 a.m. and our meat has been out of the refrigerator for a couple of hours. The Traeger is up to its 225-degree cooking temperature. I will place the brisket fat side up in the smoker. I will be using an internal thermometer to monitor the temperature of the meat. And we will begin the cooking process. It is now about 2 p.m. and the brisket has reached an internal temperature of 170 degrees. I will wrap the meat in parchment paper and aluminum foil to finish the cooking. We are looking for a 201 degree internal temperature to pull the meat off the heat and let rest before cutting. Okay, it's time to pull the brisket and let it rest before we cut it. In my opinion, it's well worth the time and effort to have a moist, flavorful brisket piled high in a homemade arepa. Please like and subscribe if you like our content. And thank you for watching.